We're gonna show how to run a kerosene heater. First, you get a kerosene heater, and now you want to find a location to put the heater. You don't want your heater close to furniture like that. That would be a bad location. It's too close to the furniture and it gets hot. And you don't want it close to flammable stuff. So that would be a bad location for the heater. You want the heater to be kind of like in the center of the room, away from stuff. That's why you would always see me have the kerosene heaters right here, so they can heat up stuff over there. And it's not close to anything. So after you find your location, you want to check your fuel level. That's right here. And as you can see, I need some fuel. Fuel it up outside. It's just better. Let's go outside and fuel this up. To fuel your heater, if you don't have the siphon that came with the propane heater, you can use a funnel and just put the funnel inside the hole here. This hole. I have this rubber attachment that I can place on my gas tank, and that rubber attachment here fits in there, and I can fuel my heater this way. Now as you start fueling, watch your gauge on the side. You would see the floater get halfway or full, however much you want to put in there. You probably can see the gauge moving. So that is half a tank. It's halfway full. So that should be close to 1 gallon. Kerosene. So it's halfway full. Close your cap. Just take it on the inside and light it. And once you have the heater fueled and in the location that you want to have it, you light it. Here's your knob, and this is your lighting switch here. Open up the cage. Sometimes this one acts a little funny, and you have to watch to make sure that the wick catches from the start. Turn the wick up as high as it'll go, and press your igniter or engage your igniter on this side so I can see the flame when it starts. It didn't catch that time. Didn't catch that time. Okay, it's lit now. So I'm waiting for the electrodes to start to flame. Gonna move the cage around a little. What I'm doing here is you want to make sure that the flame goes around the disc completely. That takes around 3 minutes, 4 minutes for that to happen. Remember, the wick is still on high. Now, the other thing is, make sure that you do have a monoxide detector somewhere. I never have had an alarm go off, and you always want to just make sure that you have that detector there. What I'm looking for now, and what you should be looking for, is you want the flame to be smooth and even around the whole disc on the inside. Now this is still high, so we're just gonna wait. Okay, it is hot now. Once it gets to this point, you can leave it high if you want to, or you can lower it. I like to lower the flame, and you do that by turning the knob counterclockwise. Okay, see the flame go down, and it will fill up. Right there. And this would burn like the 10,000 BTU, or the low setting. To get the flame higher, you turn the knob clockwise. Turn it clockwise, and the flame is going to go up. There you go. Now at this point, that's where you want to have your setting and burn it forever, how long you want to. In this case, it's probably going to be 6 or 7 hours because it's only half full. So that is half full. We're going to turn this back down low. Now, when you get ready to turn the unit off, lower the wick. Just lower the wick and press the shut off button here, and it's gonna go off. Watch it. Watch it. It's out. You might hear a little fluttering. Doop, doop, doop. It's normal. But it's gonna go out where it's already out. It's just going in its last stages. So that's how you run your propane heater. Be safe and stay warm this season. And thanks for watching this video.